If you're seeing the Leonardo AI error maximum pending generations, don't worry, this is usually caused by stuck jobs, a browser cache issue, or accidentally firing off too many generation requests too quickly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step so you can get back to creating without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, take a look at your library or your generation canvas screen. If you notice any generations that are frozen, stuck loading, or not moving at all, cancel them right away. These stuck jobs can keep Leonardo AI thinking that you still have pending generations, even when you're not actively using them anymore. Clearing those out is the first and most important step. Next, it's important to understand what may have triggered the error in the first place. If you click the Generate button multiple times rapidly while a batch is still processing, Leonardo AI can instantly register too many pending requests. So from now on, always click Generate once and wait for the result. Avoid rapid clicking because that can cause the counter to spike and trigger the same error again. If the error is still showing after canceling frozen generations, the next step is to fully log out of Leonardo AI. Click your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the sidebar panel, then choose Log Out. This helps reset your session and clears out any temporary account state that may be contributing to the pending generation message. Now, press Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard. This forces a deep browser cache clear and refreshes the page more aggressively than a normal reload. In many cases, this step alone can remove any stale browser data that's keeping Leonardo AI from updating your generation status correctly. After that, open an incognito or private window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. This gives you a clean browser session with no old cached data or saved site conflicts. Then, log back into the Leonardo AI dashboard from the private window. This step can force the backend to recalculate your active job counter, which often clears the maximum pending generations error automatically. Once you're back in, check whether the dashboard is loading normally and try a single new generation request. Remember, only click Generate once and wait for it to complete. If the issue was caused by stuck jobs or cached session data, this should usually fix it. So to recap, cancel any frozen generations, avoid rapid clicking, log out, force refresh with Ctrl plus F5, open an incognito window, and log back in to reset your active job count. That's the quickest way to solve the Leonardo AI maximum pending generations error. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.